In the interest of science, I wanted to find out what a 273 would do in a 3/4 ton pickup truck. It's an 81 W250. That means four-wheel drive. Dodge people know that. Anyway, so there's a 273. Just took it apart, basically put it back together. It was an old rebuild at some point. I did hone the cylinders. I did not put new rings in it. It had a lot of glaze to it. It just didn't look like the old rings were the sealing. Heads were actually pulled off at some point after that, and valves reground. Those were good. I just cleaned up the ports a little bit, put those back together. I put in a new cam, the Summit K6900. Just a mild, like an RV cam, but it is bigger than a stock 318 cam, or stock 273 cam for that matter. Intakes away in Stealth I had for another project, going a different route on that one. Carburetor, I picked up a new 500 ABS2. I had a 600 on it, a Carter competition that was on the old 318. That actually ran good until this one showed up in the mail. I have not rejetted it yet, or done anything with it other than bolted on. Headman headers, I put new Headmans on it. And that's it. I mean, not really a race-winning combination, but it goes down the road 65, 70 miles an hour, barely touching the gas. It's not struggling at all in this thing, even with the crappy aerodynamics. And like I said, going into the wind the other day with a canoe on top, it didn't have any trouble at all. Mileage on that trip was 12 and a half or a little more. It probably lost a mile a gallon just with the wind in the canoe. And I know there's more potential there once I get into tuning the carburetor and playing with the timing a little bit more. But right now it's only got 800 miles on it, and it seems to be good. I'm not missing the 318 that was in here at all. So, they put 225 6s in these things and they pulled it, so there's no reason a 273 can't. The only thing I would have liked to have done different with this motor was deck it. The pistons were down hole quite a ways in there. They're 2-barrel pistons. And the compression isn't quite 8-to-1. So that could have been better. That would have helped my mileage too if I could have got it up. But I didn't. Too much, didn't want to spend that much on this old pile of crap. Anyway, there you go. Thanks. Bye.